Hey guys, this is another video from Kometan, the Kometan that I really like, and in today's video we're going to hear from the women and the men to tell us how they feel about living in Kometan, their relationships, and how it is like. So let us get right into this video, y'all. Hey, love how people in at the buggy. Your name?
Money we don't want it.
Yeah. Hello, Ma. How you doing?
No bad.
How long you been living in Kometan?
Hey, I hear they bomb you.
I hear about you.
Yeah.
Wow. So you have children here as well?
Eh?
You have children?
Yes.
So what are some of the things that a woman is supposed to do in Kometan?
What?
Like your responsibility as a woman. Like what things are supposed to do? They always say sometimes women want cook, do they want. So what are some of the things you can do on a daily basis in Kometan?
Something can make fun.
You can make fun.
Yeah.
What kind of fun?
Rest fun.
Rice farm. Okay. So that all the strong women here can do?
Yeah. No, plenty. Decent.
Oh wow, you can decent too?
Yeah.
Wow, you making me think of Mama. Mama is so decent. Wonderful woman. So you can decent, you cook, wash. So then whenever the men are leaving, the women behind. The women can do everything too.
You know, brushing make woman can do.
Eh?
Brushing.
Only brushing you can do.
Yeah.
But I know you can cook more than the men.
Who can cook?
Eh? I see the way you're talking. I know you can cook. Alright, my widow, thank you.
Okay.
Describe the we and
Your
we
name?
are. I'm Johnson, Omer Johnson.
You know I grew up my widow, eh?
Yeah, she not
Why
want
not grow up?
she not want to praise us.
She don't want to praise the men, eh?
No.
Well, my widow is all praise the men or Kometan.
You ask any other person, they will tell you we join them
How
in
does
group
all praise you now?
by us joining them in the group by harvesting of the rest. But she is saying that only they alone can harvest the rest.
The woman say, all of you can harvest. And then I asked her, so women can do all the things that men can do here. She said, no, our strong men, our strong and able men can brush.
Thank
You
you.
see?
Your name?
Loretta.
Corrector.
Loretta, for my crew name at Pupo.
Oh, Loretta's.
Yeah.
Bokbo.
That my crew name there.
Welcome.
Okay.
To
You
Lofa County.
in how long you been living here too?
I have lived here over 7 or 8 years. I'm from Zaza district. The widow woman she was talking to, she's my wife.
Oh my gosh, no wonder why. But my widow is our president. Oh. Alright.
All right, welcome.
Thank you. Hello, my name? Okay, my Kevin, how you doing? So how long you been with her dance? Because I'm out with her now, quite a bottom.
So we don't need that.
How long you been commenting?
It's making me 12 years.
12 years?
Yes.
Wow. You can speak Loma?
Yeah.
Oh, speak something for me now.
That's it. I got Keba. You want to say I got Konapu for
What I want me in English?
Money Keba.
Oh.
Yes, they're making me 12 years.
Oh, nice, creative. Yes. So what do you like about Kometan?
They almost speaking Lomana.
She all about spirit.
Yo. Go back to the place.
What did he say? Oh my gosh. What a love story. What a man I brought here. I see the man say I know why he came. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God. So how is it like being a wife in Kometan? Like, what are some of the things you're supposed to do as a woman?
Me? Yeah, we can do good. I want to family, we can do, yeah. We do good. We make crop, we carries.
I saw you washing.
Yeah.
So you get a special day to wash?
Yeah. Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday I was eating. Today I can't go. I work with me and my children.
So what are you doing for Jama? That market there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, myself in a market.
Okay,
Okay, oh market. The woman that left, who's like country left side of Ghana for?
Me, I'm for Guinea.
The woman left Guinea for love. Hey, yeah. You see I love again too? And like the handsome color that she left on Guinea for. Hey, yeah. You see love?
Ma Uma.
Hello,
Morning.
how you doing?
You alright?
Yo,
Okay, welcome.
thank you.
Your name?
My own name Loretta. Your name?
Mani is Tanu Jala.
Tanu Jala?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Jala, how you doing?
Yeah, we thank God.
How long you been living in Cometa?
Come is very fun to us. Yeah.
How long you been living here?
Oh, over 30 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're the pro.
Yeah.
He's a,
Yes.
you're the former town chief of
Yeah.
Cometa.
Yeah.
Ah, so who's you, sir?
Okay, sir. Yo, the people are doing well for us here, and we are understanding ourselves. Yeah. This is my fiancé.
Yeah? Woman there.
Yeah.
I really love my package. Yo.
Yo.
See how the woman friend.
Papa, they talking to you.
Hey, they love my video.
Yeah.
Honey.
Money couple.
Hello, man. How are you doing?
Tango.
You see the handsome color like
Yeah.
Oh, chairman, upload the woman. Let me go inform chairman, upload the woman. You upload the woman coming back, commenting for you.
Doctor.
Man, couple?
Yeah.
Anything will call me, yeah?
Okay.
Your name?
I'm going to put up in the way.
Eh?
Manufacturer.
So how long you been planting here?
I just start.
You're just
learning.
Lena. But you're doing so good. Now who teaching you?
Myself.
You see that it's here about Liberian women. Let me just say the Loma women. You're really creative. Like nobody has to teach you. You're already doing it on your own. See how you're making our sister fun at it? Okay, well. Beautiful people.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, my couple. Don't forget, call me.
Okay.
Oh. Controversy, eh?
Yeah.
Hello, Mama.
How are you?
Alright, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Your name?
Mani Kebe.
Ah, man, Kebe, another Kebe. We saw your niece on as well.
Yeah, we plenty here, Kebe people.
She has oven.
Oh, you have the oven?
Yes.
So, now what do you can bake?
I can bake cookies, bread, soft bread.
And you can sell them.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you doing right now?
I bought in Pakana.
Okay. Can you pass it for me, please? For long, if I'm gonna you. So when you boss the pack and I try to eat, just to chew it.
No, we have to say what?
Oh, so you bossing it right now for all?
Yeah. When you boss it, you pick it inside. Then you put it one in a pot. You pass it, the oil can come off.
Red oil?
No.
Oh, palm oil.
Yeah, Pakana oil.
Pagana oil. Right. Ain't there one pagana? Ain't there one pagana?
Yes.
See, man, keep an meal. Man, keep give me one pagana. Okay.
Target.
Well, yeah. We used to boss it in every day. My grandma era. You know, I could get from Grand Group. So back on now, all I was in it. Maybe now I don't know how to fish it. But okay, thank you so much. Guys, this other video of Cometa has been amazing. It was really good listening to the women and listening to the men as well. This place is colorful and it's beautiful and they're all calm and peaceful, and I really want to come here. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell. I love you all so much. Bye bye.